I was influenced by learning about the artworks of Georgia and Stefanie because they created this concept of recording data and transform it into artwork. Their influences can be seen on my artwork, demonstrated by the use of color, and also some of my drawings are inspired. For example, I used lots of lines and dots. They both uses these forms to create their own artwork. My knowledge about data artists helped me in the creating of my own data art by giving me inspiration for creating my artwork. The knowledge and skills I learned could be used in these other areas of my life, such as drawing skills, and also the main one was organization. For my drawing development, we can see that at the beginning of the year, I didn't draw very good, but throughout my artworks, we can see the difference between the first drawing and the last one. I organized myself good, but sometimes for the written tasks, I wasn't very punctual. But I managed to always create a good artwork from my point of view. I demonstrated using technical innovation in the process of making my data art by creating different platforms to record my data, as my computer and my phone to record information throughout the weeks. Now that this project is finished, the way I drew may change because, as I said before, my drawing knowledge extends a lot. We can see a big difference between the first drawing and the last one. My pillars raise awareness about how I create it in a way that the audience wants to get more of it, and so explore the whole pillar. And encourage innovation because I never drew on a pillar, and so it was a good experience for me because I had to be focused the whole time to avoid any mistakes. My pillars will make a difference to the school environment by encouraging people to think about data and technology as artwork because it is very interesting to create something special because nobody can have the same data as you. One thing about this project that captured my attention was how the data was transformed into art. Data is everything and everywhere. I never recorded data, and so during the weeks I found it very interesting because I had the feeling that I'm doing many things during a day, but at the end it impressed me how repetitive I am. I'm trying to say how I managed to create an artwork from data and how data is transformed into artwork. I learned how to organize myself and to have enough data at the end of the week. But if I didn't have much data, I always managed a way to create an artwork with the criteria asked from the teacher. I used as I can my drawing skills. I know that my drawing isn't very good, but I always try to do my best to create the artwork. I'm trying to say how I managed to create an artwork from data and how data is transformed into artwork. I showed great care when I drew because I didn't want to have my palette full of dirty paint marks. My work looks polished and well crafted because, as I said before, I took care of my pillar. I did my best to try to convince the people to look at my artwork and be impressed. My pillar raised awareness about how I created in the way that the audience wants to get more of it. What I think makes this special, especially strong, is the use of color, and also I only used 2 drawings out of 6, and we can see how good they match together with the colors. What I would do differently next time, I don't think I will change anything because I'm very proud of my final piece of art. The hardest part was to enlarge the forms, and also because my lines are all different colors, I had to watch which color it has to be.